So for today's call, we had a leaking water heater. We already took it out, and today we're installing a brand new eco-friendly heating and hot water system since the chimney has too many appliances in it and the chimney's in bad shape.
Good, we're almost done.
So far we got the old chimney vent boiler out and the old water heater. We have our brand new Navian combi boiler in place, and we have all of our piping tied into the supply, return, and the water to the boiler. All that's left is the venting and gas portion of it, and that's really it.